Bubba just ate catnip. Hubbub.
I think Capers is hoping that's all they're doing is having a team meeting, because it's going to get awfully rough on that back end if none of those players come back into this ball game in the second half, even though the Pittsburgh Steelers are without one of their guys in Emmanuel Sanders. And now Pat Lee is one of the remaining healthy defensive backs for Green Bay.
Crazy cat on catnip. Crazy cat on catnip.
From today's Super Bowl on FoxSports.com. Fans can vote for their favorites to decide the best of Super Bowl 45. See him immediately after the game at FoxSports.com.
Bubba. Bubba. He's my Maine Coon cat. And there's Kazi. He's my long-haired cat. They get to play down here during the Super Bowl when the dogs are outside.
Knowing that you're going to start throwing the ball, I think you've got to be very, very conservative here and be happy.